Well, hello, welcome back everybody. This morning we're on board the fishing vessel Brooks Bay. She's a 70-foot wood seiner, and me and my buddy Cullen here, we're doing some dive work on her. We had a buggy plank that we had to concrete up. We got a keel cooler that's hanging down that we got to reattach with black bolts and clean the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and get suited up here and jump in the water, and we'll take you guys along for the project. So one of the rod planks was right below the water line. I don't know if you can see the concrete we got patched up there, but what we did, we put our boom out, put a bunch of stuff on there, and heeled the boat over and got it to come out of the water and patched it up. So we're letting it set up, and then we'll let the boat heel back over, and hopefully she holds.
I'm trying to quit. Yeah!
All finished up for the day. Got all the dive gear on board, and now we're heading downtown. We're gonna go get some ice cream, pick up a skiff for loading so we can get in and out of shore, and go have some fun.
What did you see today?
Dove for freedom.